Hello guys, this is WRG Productions. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Resident Evil 3 banner, a really cool Resident Evil 3 banner. I know the Resident Evil 3 fever is going on and every gamer is playing this game, especially those that are playing on console or even on PC. So they're really enjoying this game, and it's best to have a Twitch account or YouTube account, and you change your current banner into the Resident Evil 3 banner and enjoy this Resident Evil 3 fever and get the maximum views from your viewers. So you are going to go ahead in file and click on new. Can be any name. Keep the width 1200 and the height 480 pixels, 1080 resolution. This is for Twitch, so this is the standard size for the banner, 1200 by 480 pixels. Hit OK. We're going to have a new canvas. Now you're going to first of all select the pen tool from over here and just make a rectangle, sorry, a triangle. Hold down shift to get a straight line. Hold down shift again and just close this. Now you're going to hit delete to delete this extra outline. Once you have this, you can just go ahead and click this layer, hit Ctrl J and hit Ctrl T now on this new layer. Just drag it over here and right click, flip it horizontally. Then right click, flip it vertically. Just match this over here. Hit enter. Now what you're going to do is just click both of these layers and merge these layers together. Now hit Ctrl T on this layer to free transform it and just mash the edges. Also hold down shift and hold down alt to just increase the width a little bit. I think this message is fine. Click V and now place it in the center. Once this is in the center, just go ahead, open file, click on open and select your images. These are free wallpapers from the Resident Evil website, wallpaper website. I'm going to include the link. Just go ahead and click this layer, hit Ctrl C to copy it, and then we have to place this beneath this red colored layer, so hit Ctrl V for this layer, press Ctrl T to free transform it and just decrease the size. Think it's looking good. Now we are going to cut this extra portion so that it's not visible. Hold on this layer. First of all, hide this layer and just go ahead and select the lasso tool. This is the polygon lasso tool. Just cut it, just draw a random outline and select this and hit go ahead and edit, click cut. So this will vanish. You can just now show this layer. Now for this picture, let's copy it and paste it above this picture. Hit Ctrl T to reposition it. This Nemesis guy is nice and visible now. We're going to just take this layer underneath it. Now just to add the text, we're going to hit a new layer and click on this text layer, type our text. First we're going to select the color. I think white is good. Hit V and just place this text over here. I think it's fine. For the text we have Morganite font. It's extra bold. The spacing is 30 and the font size is 10. We're going to duplicate this layer by hitting Ctrl J and by hitting V, place this over here, hit change this to the next word, evil. Just keep it over here. Now hit Ctrl J again, duplicate this layer and just change this wording to 3. Also change the font size to 12. It's looking pretty nice. And just align these at a constant pace. Now it's looking pretty good. So here you have it, the Resident Evil banner. So enjoy this with your viewers, and I hope you like this video. If you want to see more designs for this, then just leave comments and I will make new videos. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it as much as you can.